In this first tutorial, you will use Flash and Actionscript 3 to write a simple program which will be the foundation of all your Actionscript 3 programs. We will be working with separate Actionscript files and Flash files. So the first step is to create a folder on your computer called Hello World. Click on Create New Actionscript File in Flash. A new file called Script1 is created. Click on the File menu and choose Save As. In your Hello World folder, save the file with the name main.as. Then click Save. Click on File and then New. Next we need a Flash file to work with our Actionscript file. Click on Flash Actionscript 3, then click OK. Click File, Save As. And save the file in the same folder as the Actionscript file. Note the file name Hello World, then click Save. We will now set up the Actionscript code format preferences so your code is nicely formatted when you write it. Click the Edit menu and then click Preferences. If you're using a Mac, you'll find Preferences under the Flash menu. Click Auto Format and then set up the preferences so that they match the screen as I'm going to type it. So ensure that the first 3 boxes are ticked as well as the second last one. Click OK and then click the main.as tab to return to the Actionscript file. All the code needs to be wrapped in a package. So type the word package. This is followed by the curly braces. So press enter to skip to the next line and then type 2 curly brackets. Type in the text exactly as shown. Public class main. Then press enter and 2 more curly brackets. Main here refers to the name of the Actionscript file in which we're working. Classes usually have a capital letter for their first letter. Next, you will create a class called main. Note that it's the same name as the file you're working on at the moment. You should also refer to Foundation Games Design pages 12 to 14 for further information on what a class is. Next, we will create the constructor method. Package is the container for the class. The constructor method is the bit that makes things happen in your programs. So if we type the following, public function and then main and 2 ordinary brackets, press enter and put in 2 more curly brackets. The next bit of code is what the program needs is a directive. This tells the program to actually do something. Methods are made up of 1 or more directives. So what we're going to do is tell Flash to output the words Hello World into the output window. do that, we use the trace command. Put in 2 ordinary brackets and a semicolon. Go back inside the ordinary brackets, put in 2 quotation marks, and type in your sentence, "Hello world." To make the program work, we have to import Flash's built-in movie clip class. See page 18 of Foundation Game Design for more information on this. To do that, all we need to do is go inside the package, skip a couple of lines, and type the following: import flash.display.movieclip with a capital M and a capital C, followed by a semicolon. Adding comments to your code is a useful way to help you and others understand your code. Code that is added as a comment is ignored when the program is run. To add a single line comment, use 2 forward slashes at the start of the line, and then type in your comment. The next line outputs text to the output window. For more than one line, use /* to start the comment and */ to finish the comment. For example, /*, this is a multi-line, skip a line, comment, and then finish */ Click File and Save, or press Ctrl and S, or Apple S on a Mac. Click on the hello world.fla file to return to your main Flash file. Click on the Properties tab, if it's not already open, to display the Property Inspector. We need to link the main.as file with the hello world.fla file. In the class box inside your Properties window, type in the name of your Actionscript file without the .as, so just main with a capital M on its own. You don't need to type in the .as, but it does need to be case sensitive, so if you've used a capital M, you need to type it in exactly the same way into the class box here. Save your file. Finally, test your movie by pressing Command and Enter, and you should see the words "Hello World" in the output window. This has been a very quick introduction to the basics of setting up an Actionscript file to work with any Flash file.